In this tutorial, we will show you how to send an offer on Sunhub Sales Portal. Log into the portal using your credentials. On the left panel, click on Send Offer. Select a deal that you want to use to send this offer. After selecting a deal, click on the Next button in the top right corner. Select a client to send the offer to. You can type in the client's name and it will be automatically fetched by the portal. Type in the subject for this offer. Next, type in the message that will go along with the offer. Click on Preview to see the actual email preview of the offer you are sending. You can also view the product whose offer is being sent. This view provides all the important information regarding the product. Once you have reviewed everything, click on the Send button. You can view a preview of all the offers you have sent by clicking on View Offers from the panel on the left side. Thank you for watching this tutorial.